If you're experiencing a verification pending status on your alternative bank Schweiz account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any emails from alternative bank Schweiz regarding your verification. Sometimes, they may require additional documents or information to complete the process. Step 2. Gather required documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SSRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Submit documents. Log into your alternative bank Schweiz account and navigate to the verification section. Upload the required documents as instructed. Make sure all files are clear and legible. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification remains pending after submitting documents, reach out to Alternative Bank Schweiz customer support. Provide them with your account details and ask for an update on your verification status. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting customer support, wait for their response. If you do not hear back within a few days, follow up to ensure your case is being handled. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from the bank.